What is good with y'all? It's your boy WEBULL, and I'm here with another big body banger, man. And in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all, behind the scenes, how I got it done, man. Mixing and mastering, recording. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video, man.
Hey, why you do that, boy?
Alright, so yep, this is I Know right here. Now it may look a little simple because it really was. It wasn't really that hard. I was really singing most of the times, but I'm gonna let y'all hear a little bit of it.
I know, yeah. I know. One. I know. Fly low. I know you feel me.
Hey, as y'all can hear, man, that's it right there. That's I Know. Now we about to get into the vocal presets, but before we get into the vocal presets, I just want to show y'all the mixing. Now I did not have my tracks labeled, but I do need to start being more organized. But right here is the main vocals on the top right here, and for the main vocals, we just got it in the middle right here, just turned up. For my effects, this is like an old Gucci Gang preset, but hey, it's probably one of the best ones. My bad, I'm all skipping fast through them. Y'all can pause the video if y'all want to take notes. That's for my main vocals. For my ad-libs, we use the hype box. So y'all can just take notes here. This is probably one of the best ad-lib presets on BandLab. I ain't even gonna cap. So hey, pause the video, take a screenshot, do what you gotta do. Yep, that's it right there. Oh, and make sure y'all take these off. Take off Dimension, De-easer, and Vibe 2. Once you do that, all right, now we got some this is another main vocal right here. Well, I believe it's the same thing. Yeah, I believe it's the same thing. Let me check. Now this app, it's not even really hard to learn. Like this app is so easy, and as y'all can tell, it's so simple. If y'all want to go check out more of my tutorials, go check out my BandLab. I'll be dropping tutorials on there too. I mean, not my BandLab, go check out my TikTok. I'll be dropping little preset videos and, just helpful videos and things like that. But, yeah, this track wasn't even really hard to make. As y'all see, I got the fade out at the end. Now, I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of key having a dope fade out at the end of your beat. Your beat always got to be just perfect. Not even perfect, just like beautifully constructed from the beginning of the song to the end. But yeah, man, this track was this I Know, man, to kind of bring me back. I ain't gonna lie, I made this song a minute ago, bring me back. This thing about to hit like what 2,000 views on YouTube, man. So hey, keep running this thing up. But hey, man, that's really the end of the video. If y'all want to see more videos like this, man, just let me know down below in the comments. But I'm just trying out new things. But hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. WEBULL in this thing. WEBULL out. Peace.
Hey, why you do that, boy?